I'm going to go over the importance of post and pre-trip inspections. Let's get into it. Pre-trip and post-trip inspections are widely overlooked. I see a lot of trucking companies I work with that don't do this stuff. I mean, if you're a large fleet, you should be doing it by now, but a lot of companies overlook this stuff. And insurance is going to rate you based off of your CSA score, your CAB score, your ISS score. There's all sorts of different scores that go into this deal, but your CSA score is going to be heavily impacted by your violations. Pre-trip and post-trip inspections are one of the easiest ways to just put a stop to this stuff. The other big thing would be make sure you have an ELD, because falsified logs, or just not falsify your logs or anything along those lines, but falsified logs are also one of the biggest factors on CSA scores that companies get dinged for. So pre-trip and post-trip inspections are really important. The reason I'm doing the video on this is because I see a lot of companies don't do it, and it's a really easy way to get your maintenance violations way down there. I see a lot of companies that have high maintenance violations, and it actually creates an alert. This is something an underwriter or an insurance agent will go look at, and the more alerts you have, the harder it'll be to get insurance. For example, Canal will not let you have more than 2 alerts. Canal is the third largest trucking company out there. Really good option. They offer pay per mile insurance, so it'd really suck to not get insurance quote from, maybe save a lot of money or have a good reputable name out there because you didn't have pre-trip and post-trip inspections. A pre-trip inspection, I'm sure a lot of you guys know what this is, but if you don't, you're just gonna have a checklist. You're gonna run through the whole truck and make sure everything is up to date. All the maintenance is looking good. Same deal with the cargo, because also, well, I'll get into it in a second here, but you're gonna want to make sure that everything with the truck and the cargo and everything is looking great. Because if you go out there and you have a pre-trip inspection, or you could have caught something earlier, and now you got a maintenance violation because the DOT officer stopped you, you're going to be in some trouble. You're going to get a violation, and it's going to hurt your score. And also just helps with maintenance on the truck. An example of the cargo really coming into play is I had a trucking company call me, and they had a large claim for about $400,000 on their cargo. They were an oversized hauler. Now, they did do pre-trip and post-trip inspections. They took pictures of all the cargo before they hauled it, went there, and then they did a post-trip inspection, took pictures of it when it was delivered. Everything was looking good there, right? Now, the broker called and said, "Hey, this product is damaged, and we'd like to turn in a claim on your cargo insurance." It's about a $400,000 claim that they're going to be turning in. They ended up turning in the claim. I don't exactly know how. Maybe it was bad advice from the agent, or the insured went directly, or the other person directly just turned in a claim without the insured knowing. I don't know the whole situation. Well, the thing is, having a $400,000 cargo claim is going to really hurt your insurance rates. And so I had the story. They sent me the pictures of it, proving that there was no damage before and after. And I was sent them to the underwriter, and I actually got that claim to be way less impacted on their insurance. I don't know if it was fully waived, but it almost didn't even count towards the new rate of insurance. So it really helped them out in that situation by doing a pre-trip and post-trip inspection. Another benefit of this is you can get better fuel efficiency. Make sure your tires are filled up accurately. Everything is just looking good. You can get a little. I mean, I'm not talking massive difference here, but you can get a little bit better fuel efficiency. So it saves you money, stops you from running into troubles halfway through a load. Your truck breaks down. It can help prevent that, costing you guys a ton of money, help with claims, and obviously I'm an insurance agent, so definitely gonna help with insurance. It's one of the biggest things out there. I just see people not doing a pre-trip and post-trip inspection, and it hurts their CSA score, which goes into your insurance. Just ended up costing them a whole lot more money when a 5-10 minute walk through the truck and trailer and cargo could have just gone way smoother and prevented a lot of this. So this is a real short video, just giving you guys some explanations on why that's important. I have a pre-trip and post-trip inspection document in my office, so if you guys would like that to be sent to you, please let me know. I'll send it to anybody. This stuff can definitely help you, but let me know if there's any way I can help. Thanks for watching.